Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
I have to say,
Yes, please.
the two books, number one is about Nolimi Tangere and second Elfie.
Elfili.
Yes, sir.
Fili, is that a Spanish word, Fili?
Yes, sir. I guess.
So it's probably short for El Filibusterismo.
Yes.
Actually, the title of the book is El Filibusterismo. Are you familiar who are the hero and heroine in Nolime Tangere?
In Nolimi Tangere, I've known Rizal Sama Ibarra.
Uh-huh. And the
heroine is Maria Clara.
Marie Clara.
Marie Clara.
Huh? Oh my god.
Yeah. I thought the name was Maria Clara because those were the Spanish times. We have never heard of the Americans at the time yet. Okay. So, would you know the birthday of Dr. Roselia? It's a holiday, actually. Students are very happy every time Roselia celebrates his birthday.
Oh my god. I've done that before, but it's December 28th.
Oh, that's the birthday of my wife. It's June 19. Yeah, June 19. Remember that because that's a holiday. Okay. Okay. Tell me. I mean, react to these names. You know, Napoleon Apueva, Salvador Bernal, Ben Cab or Benedicto Cabrera, Felipe Padilla de Leon, Lucrecia Casilag, Lucio San Pedro. What do they have in common?
So these names are the characters of Nolimi Tangere. And they are pro with Ibarra Crisostomo. That's what I remember.
No, they're not.
Your memory betrayed you just now because these are the names of our national artists.
Dito.
Do you watch Filipino movies?
Not so much, sir.
Why?
Felipe.
Usually, I just read, and I'm not so much fond of watching movies.
What are you fond of?
More on reading about my lessons to international affairs.
International affairs.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. If you were our ambassador in China, you know, and you just heard that Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago saying on TV that the Chinese invented corruption, what are you going to do?
As ambassador to China,
Okay. I'm gonna kill Miriam.
I'm not as ambassador. That's not my business anymore. Whether there's a corruption in China, well, as ambassador, my only mission is to protect the Philippines, to give security to the Philippines in that foreign country. Now, if there is a corruption in China, maybe I'll just
Yung
have to report it
question,
to my
kung
home
siya yung
country.
ambassador ng China, not
But
Philippine
I'm not
ambassador to China, di ba?
Because I'm just an ambassador there. So maybe just observe what is the
No,
actual
ang question ni
happening
Sir
in the
Armin
Chinese
Dawala.
government.
If
And
you were
then
an
maybe just a
the
simple,
ambassador of China,
simple information to my country as so that I could give them precautions on economic relations between Philippines and China,
Ang sagot niya
as
kasi,
well as political relations. So it's just a
Wala, hindi
precaution
niya
to,
business yun.
as ambassador, I would just give
Ano
them
ba siya? Ambassador
precaution
daw
so
siya
that
ng
they would
China.
know what they
Hindi,
should
ang
do.
intindi
So
niya,
that
ano
they would
siya,
know what are the strengths
ambassador
and
of
weaknesses of
the
the Chinese government, so that they will not be failed
to China.
in communicating or
Philippine ambassador
having
to
a
China.
relations with China in terms of politics and especially economics.
Okay, thank you.